Hello everyone, Barbader Holt here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com, and today I am going to show you the assembly of the last two cards in my card subscription kit. I don't know why I can't think of that word. I took this on the road and all I needed to have with me was a pair of scissors, adhesive with a little dimension to it, some glue, my tape runner, and it went well. I was quite happy with how these cards came together. All the pieces are there. They include the ink, they include the little stamp block. I had done an unboxing video a few weeks ago and showed what all came in the kit. And it really is super fast and quick. I was very impressed. I'm just following the instructions here, very simple. The instructions are right here, and this is all there is to it. It tells you what to do. I really found them to be a great way to get a lot of cards done. You make 2 of each design, and there are 12 designs, so you make 24 cards. And the kit comes every 4 months, and I really like it. I highly recommend it. You can go to my online store and look at the subscription tab. There's a subscription of scrapbooking. There's a subscription for card making. I think they're both fantastic. The little bits and pieces all come and they're labeled nicely so you know exactly what pieces go with what card base. That's very helpful. I can get confused. I don't know about you. But this is real easy. You just pop the little bits out. I like to glue a few of the stars in place so that when the shaking is going on, these just stay. So I always have some of these pretty stars stuck kind of up in the air, floating around. And in the window kit here, one of the sides has a protective film on it, so you just scrape at it a little bit, get it going, and you can see you peel that right off. And what I do is I use a little bit of glue. You can use tape runner to hold this on, whatever floats your boat. I find that, dropping. I find that glue works better for me. But we all have preferences when it comes to adhesive. So now you've got the ring with your acrylic top, and then on here you can see, well, maybe you can see it if I tilt it, the little outside ring. And this is probably the most challenging part of putting a shaker card together for me, is managing to get this circle adhesive off of here in a circle. I struggle. And you save that inside. That makes great adhesive, dimensional. Sure, and I pooped it up, didn't I? Well, can I get it on there? I think I can. I think it'll be fine. Then we we stick all these other little loosey-goosey stars on here. I managed to turn them over, didn't I? So you want to get those all on there. And then we also have the silver star confetti, which is really pretty. These teeny little stars. Oh, adorable. Stick those on there. Now I want to look at this card. Oh, and I'm doing this in a different direction than it shows. I do that sometimes. So we want to stick a couple of the stars out here. And you know what? There are no mistakes here. I'm just making it my own. It is what it is. I did that on several of the cards that I put together. I started assembling them and realized, oops, I've got it facing in the wrong direction. Bummer. But that's okay. And someone had asked about the glue I'm using. I use Art Glitter Glue. It does not have glitter in it. I just love the way it comes out. It works for me, and I figure if I'm going to be a happy crafter, I need to have glue that comes out. Here we go with the pretty little glittery stars. Pour some in there. And you just eyeball it. And remove that protective coating. Hopefully this is sticking in enough. That should be fine. We're not going for perfection. Set it down so that it's on the ring. And give it a nice little rub. And there you go. You have got a cute little shaker card. Super adorable. This one is the same thing. I will show you all the cards that I made. These butterflies. Thank you so kindly. Oof, find the camera. Thank you. And I think it took me less than 2 hours to assemble all of these cards. Here's another shaker card. And here's another shaker card. I count my lucky stars were friends. And you can use whatever sentiments you want. I found that the sentiments that they had chosen worked for me. I know that I will be able to use these cards. This is one that I stamped it in the wrong direction, but it still worked for me. And then happy birthday. And of course, don't forget that they come with these luscious, beautiful envelopes. Aren't those just gorgeous? I love the vibrant colors. That is Happy Mail right there. So, if you are interested in subscribing, I would appreciate it if you would go to barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com, click on the subscription tab, and get yourself this beautiful Craft with Heart card making subscription. Thank you for stopping by. See you next time.